to Sweet Meals for 5 with Irene Kanyolo. So today guys, I have an amazing recipe. I'll be showing you guys on how to prepare omena. So from scratch to end. That is from preparation to serving. Let's do this guys. So our ingredient for today is omena over here, and we use cooking oil. So first guys, you need to wash your omena, and the way you wash your omena, you just boil them. Yeah. So I'm going to put them in the furrier. Then I add water to them to boil. So guys, as you have seen, I've put water. So we'll let them boil. Then I'll be showing you after they boil what to do next. So guys, as you can see now, I'm washing my omena. So for me, boiling this omena in the water, it's washing them. And the reason we boil them, we want to remove the bitterness. I think guys, you have ever eaten bitter omena. So if you boil them, the bitterness goes away. So for boiling, you can boil as much as you want. So for me, I will boil them in 2 different waters. As in, after boiling this one, I will bring them from this water, then I put them again to boil, like the rice. I'll do the rice. So you make sure you boil them to the maximum. So guys, this is what I'm going to use to drain water from my omena. So I just pour them this. So after you drain the water, you need to get them back to the tin for the second washing. So you add water for it to boil the second time. So guys, let me do this. I'll be showing you after I'm through with washing them. So you can see they are ready. So guys, let me do this, then I'll get back to you the next step. Guys, as you can see, I'm through with washing my omena. Now they are ready for frying. So before you fry them, you make sure you have drained water. All the water is drained from the omena. So the next thing is to fry them. So we fry them until they are golden brown. So guys, let me fry my omena. I'll show you the outcome. So guys, remember, as you fry them, you put a little bit of salt like this. You sprinkle just a little bit of salt. Wow, look at them. make it very nice, yummy. By the way guys, what do you call omena in English? Omena is the English name. For me, I don't know. Someone to comment there to tell me what the name we call omena in English. Guys, I'm through with cooking. As you can see, I'm enjoying my omena. So, by the way guys, I've noticed something when cooking my omena. Even after washing and cooking, they are still looking at me. Bebe, kuna beshte yangu niambia ati hawezi kula omena ati sababu zina muangalia. Hebu comment there guys. You tell me why you don't eat omena. Is it harufu yake or is it about venye zinaangalia mtu, the way they are looking at someone? So guys, let me enjoy my omena. For me, I'm taking my omena as a snack, but you can eat it with the ugali or whatever you want. So for me, I'm eating it as a snack. Let me enjoy my omena. Guys, subscribe. Next time, nitawapikia alafu nitawapea. But for today, mtanisamehea nikule tu peke yangu. But next time, I will share with you. Bye bye guys. Make sure you subscribe to Sweet Meals for 5.
Sweet Meals for 5. Sweet Meals for 5.